Are you looking for an art medium that combines the ease of use of color pencils with the bright colors of pastels? If you are, then you need to check out the best pastel pencils. As the name suggests, oil pastel colored pencils are among the types of color pencils. However, instead of a wax lead, they use pastels. This provides the same amount of control that you get from color pencils with the color intensity and versatility of pastels. With that, you can create crisp outlines while having the ability to blend and fade colors. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best pastel pencils from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Sibilocarbital Charcoal Pro Soft Pastel Pencils. If you like drawing portraits or if you usually have human figures as the focal point of your drawings, then you will love this set of colored charcoal pencils. The Sibilocarbital charcoal pencil set contains 12 colors, most of which are various skin tones. This means you can virtually recreate any skin tone in existence. Also, the colors are light fast. This means that they will not fade much even when exposed to light. You will be getting archive quality charcoal pencils at an affordable price, which is always a good thing. If you like to frame and display your work, these pencils will be great for that purpose. The biggest issue that I have with these pencils is that the leads are extremely fragile. If you accidentally drop these from your table, there is a good chance that the lead inside them has shattered into hundreds of pieces. They are so brittle that you need to use a utility knife to sharpen them. If you will be extremely careful with the way you use these pastel chalk pencils, then you will have a lot of fun with them. However, do keep in mind that this set is primarily for drawing portraits, so the range of colors will be limited to earth tones. Number 2. Manga Pastel Colored Pencils. If you are looking for pastel pencils, then I think these colored pencils would suffice. Note that these are colored pencils that come in pastel colors. With that out of the way, they are quite decent. The cores are soft, but they are not as brittle as other brands of colored pencils, with leads that tend to shatter if you accidentally drop them. Another thing I liked about this set of colored pencils is the carrying case that they came in. Unlike other pencils that come in plastic cases, they come in a robust tin carrying case. The case does a good job of protecting the pencils and keeping them organized. These pencils also have nice designs. The pencil bodies are all hexagonal, so they will not roll off your table, and so they are comfortable to hold. In addition, I like that each pencil has a clear label. The labels have the color names and numbers, thereby helping with the organization. However, even though the pencils have soft cores, you will need to put a bit of pressure on the tips to make a mark on the paper. Not all the colors are like this, though. You will notice this only in most of the lighter shades. Number 3. Sibilocarbital Chalk Pastel Pencil. The first thing that I noticed about this set of colored pencils is the wooden carrying case. You know that you are getting high-quality pastel pencils when they come in a fancy and functional wooden box. This box also has layers, so you can see the entire set without needing to lift several trays of pencils. If you are a beginner, you can consider this set of pastel pencils as an investment. This is especially true considering the fact that you will be getting a set of 60 colors. Having these many colors to choose from means you do not need to buy additional ones. My set has been with me for a couple of months, and I haven't even used half of the set yet. One issue I have with pastel pencils is that they are hard to sharpen to a point because of how brittle their leads are. This set comes with a special sharpener that carefully sharpens the pencils without damaging the wood casing and the leads. However, you should still be careful when sharpening. Avoid rushing. There is absolutely nothing to complain about regarding this set of pastel pencils. You will need to be extremely picky to find anything of worth to find an issue with. Regarding the price, you will be getting more than your money's worth. Number 4. Panafly Professional Pastel Chalk Pencils. Panafly made this set of colored charcoal pencils, specifically for drawing portraits. These pencils just have 4 colors: black, white, brown, and tan. Having just 4 colors might seem like too few, but you would be surprised at what you can do using just them. As mentioned earlier, this set of pencils come with 3 black and 3 white pencils. The reason being is that they come in varying hardness. I find this convenient because I do not need to push on the pencils too hard to make legible marks. Anyway, the cores are quite sturdy, so breaking them in a non-deliberate manner is very unlikely. The leads are 4 mm in diameter, so even the softer ones are highly durable. I use these pencils quite a lot and usually on large drawings. There have only been a handful of times when the tip broke on me. These pencils are some of the best that I have used for portraits. I also use them for monochrome drawings. The issue with drawing surfaces is not that big of a deal, to me at least, since I usually only work with paper. If you are thinking of starting with charcoal pencils, I highly recommend this set. Number 5. Tenu Skin Tone Pastel Pencils. Getting skin tones right using a regular set of pastel pencils can be difficult, but it does not have to be that way. I bought these pastel pencils because I got tired of constantly mixing different colors to match a person's skin tone. With these pencils, I just need to pick one and then decide if I need to darken or lighten it. Another nice thing about these pencils is that they have 5mm thick leads. What I like about them is that they still feel like you are using stick pastels, but you have more control. In addition, 5mm is not that thick. It still allows me to draw finer details with ease. As mentioned earlier, the leads of these pencils are so brittle that it takes very little force to break them. This means that you need to have a light hand when using them. Moreover, because of the brittle cores, sharpening these pencils can be quite frustrating. You will need to have a lot of patience when you are using these pencils. Also, these pencils are not for the heavy-handed artist. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.